We continue building football.
Moving on, SportPesa has launched a major multi-sport sponsorship investment spanning boxing, motorsports and rugby, reaffirming its long-term commitment to the growth, professionalism and sustainability of Kenyan sport. The investment, totaling 120 million shillings, marks a strategic expansion of SportPesa's sports development agenda, supporting multiple sporting disciplines while strengthening local sports ecosystems and creating structured opportunities for Kenyan athletes.
Ndio huyu Zarika amerudi tena kwa ulingo. Vile I think maybe ni maombi ya Mwenyezi Mungu, na vile huwa mimi huomba, I think ndio kwa maana mambo yameendelea kuwa nzuri. I think hii mwaka itakuwa nzuri sababu ukiangalia Morris pamoja na SportPesa wamerudi tena.
This is a lifetime dream of us. We had to take part in the WRC. This will be our first WRC. We've done many safari rallies, but never the WRC. And we've been with SportPesa all our careers basically. And this time we got a new vehicle. It's a Yaris GR, locally built.
I think you all remember, anyone who's in sports remembers how big that fight was, how big that win was. And today we are reaffirming our journey back to supporting not just, of course, football, which we have been supporting, and rugby, but boxing.
Now, Magical Kenya Open has